Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a new update on Solana. Wanted to do a full update because I did not cover this yesterday. But yesterday we actually did get a significant bearish breakout, which I did not expect, all right? Because what we had, and you can also see that on the daily time frame, is that Solana had a significant bullish reaction and support level here at this level right here between 160. Which ultimately, like if you really look at it, it's like between 162 and 155. And initially we actually had a bullish reaction from 157 and 156 here. But what happened, and in hindsight, look, what I thought is that, all right, well, with that daily close, we actually broke back above the 50 EMA. That's relatively bullish. But then in reality, what happened is that we saw a continued risking off in the markets. So that means positions are being closed. A lot of long positions were closed. A bit of a sell-off in the markets, and you can see, and we already knew this, is that Solana, first of all, is very correlated to Bitcoin. So if you see a continued sell-off by Bitcoin, which we did, and that was also to be expected, Solana was going to follow that. And then apart from that, you can also see that Solana against Bitcoin has turned bearish as well. So Solana at this moment, we had a relatively significant bearish breakout. It doesn't really have any momentum of its own, and therefore it is correlated to Bitcoin. And then not only is it correlated to Bitcoin, it's also it's also weak against Bitcoin. So are we completely bearish on Solana right now? Short term, yes. All right. Now the thing is that we can actually turn this around. All right. So if you look at Solana right here, both on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we started some sort of I deleted something I didn't want to delete, or did I not? No, I don't know. But we started a downtrend on the lower time frames here, I would say, even though this is the 4-hour time frame, so it's not even that low of a time frame. And then apart from that, the daily is also bearish at this moment, because not only did we break down below 156 here, we also closed below the 100 EMA here, and we're respecting that as resistance, so that's a bearish confirmation. And then we have all of those technical bearish confirmations, and then we have no fundamental reason to believe that that's going to change, right? Because what you want to see then is some sort of a confirmation that we can actually turn it around, that we can get a bullish breakout, and that we can return to be bullish and get some bullish moves. But Solana, the network is not gaining any total value locked here, so there's no fundamental push coming from that. There's no momentum right now brewing for Solana that can push up the price and get some sort of a bullish breakout. No, I do think it's possible that we can actually reclaim some support levels here, and that we can actually turn bullish, but it is fully dependent on Bitcoin, all right? And that's the unfortunate truth. So what I would say, and today we have some big news, right? So we have the inflation rate and the CPI and the interest rate decision. So we're going to get some big moves for Bitcoin, but the only way that can save Solana is if those are very bullish. Then we can actually get some sort of a breakout above 160 again. And then if we actually do get a breakout above 160, technically we're bullish. And we can rally back up to 175, 188, those levels, and it's all great. But right now, due to the lack of momentum, due to the fundamentals, and due to the to the technical bearish confirmations, I think it's much more likely to assume that we might retest 155, but that from there we'll just drop down to 140, which is some sort of a level right here, and 130, 125, which is the bottom, the very strong support down here. So that's what I think is most likely. Now, like I said, keep your eyes on Bitcoin, because it all depends on that, and Bitcoin can actually turn bullish today. So that is a possibility. But if nothing bullish comes from that today or tomorrow or basically this week, then Solana will stay bearish and we will see lower lows. So those are my thoughts, all right? That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.